Do you want to make free PayPal money right now? In today's video, I will share you a completely free application that will pay you immediately simply by reading messages. This strategy is perfect for beginners who don't have any special abilities or prior experience. You will not be making any offers or sanctuary advertising. This method is available globally so you can access it from anywhere in the world. As long as you have a smartphone or a computer and an internet connection, you are good to go. Don't go anywhere and try out this strategy on your own because you might fail and waste your time if you don't follow the techniques that I will be showing you. Make sure that you watch the video completely so you will not get confused with the process and you don't miss out on any important points that I will share with you. Before I show you how to do this, go ahead and smash that like button because all the information you need to get started on this strategy is right here in this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel as well so you'll be in the loop of the newest methods to make money online, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when new videos are out. Now, the first step for this method is to make an email account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and make one on Gmail, Yahoo, or any other site. Once you have your account, you can now proceed to the app. The app that we will use today is called ClicksGenie. To get to their site, simply type in clicksgenie.com. With this app, you can get compensated to read messages and make up to 42 pennies for each email that you read. You can also acquire significantly more by referring companions. For each dynamic reference, you get up to 5 levels per found, up to 320%. You will be paid in minutes and 1 cent is the minimum payout. You can also choose from different payment methods. To get started on this website, simply tap on register and afterward, you will be redirected to this sign up page. They will require your information and they will ask you to type in your username, email, and your secret key 2 times. Fill out all the necessary details. Make sure to affirm that you are not a robot and acknowledge the terms. Once you're done with everything, click on register. Check your inbox to see whether the email for verification was sent to you. If you receive the verification email, click on that to confirm your email address. You can then sign into your account and see your dashboard. Here, you can follow your income payments, buys, and so forth in here. You can also withdraw your profit whenever you've begun acquiring. You simply click on the payout button and you can duplicate for a connection and send it to any place you need to promote your connection to get more paid. Now go to your email address and afterward, you will browse out the following email ClicksGenie sent you. Afterwards, you should adhere to the guidelines that they sent you and follow it appropriately so they can begin sending you emails. That is how you can make money using ClicksGenie. Go ahead and try it out right now so you can start making money right away. Be sure to add the correct email address so you can successfully create your account and begin acquiring messages. If you enjoyed this video, please do let us know by giving it a big thumbs up and leaving a comment down below. Also, make sure that you subscribe to the channel to be updated with the brand new strategies of making money online. Thanks for watching!